All right. Saturday, 17/20, 10 seconds, the year 2026, 4th month, April, 19th day. Oh, shit. Or 18th day. Whatever the fuck. Or whichever the fuck. Instead of what. Oh, too many fucking questions. Get a close up on that. So anyway, the brother is here fucking getting the nicks out of these fucking gaskets. Copper gaskets. See this one? Oh, this is cool being able to see this up close under a microscope. There it is. See the nicks in it. Brother's got to get the nicks out because he put it together and it started leaking. Sanded this one over here. There's still some nicks right there. See that? But the main thing is around the circle and the inside circle. Around the inside circle is where it's going to be sealing. The inner circle. Around there. That's the main thing. Because the bolt hole here is down here. There's the hole. So the fluid would come down there and roll down and start seeping around the center post. Around the center post. So here's something too, some discoloration. So wire brushed that up, scraped it, to get it as flat as possible. And then there's these here. The sides of this. The sides are the brake line, the clamp sides. Those can probably be hit too. Inspect those, both sides here. Here's the other side. So, just gotta keep from getting shit down in the hole. Be careful on that. Because the brother put it all together and took it off, polished it up and everything, and just used the old boot. Oh, fuck. It started fucking leaking. It's full of fucking fluid. There's the hole there. But up inside here is the boot. Just cleaned it up, left it in there, put the cylinder back in, and that was a bitch. But so anyway, so the brake fluid kept squirting up on the fucking firewall up here every time he'd go in and press on the brakes to using the self bleeder. Here's the self bleeder here. So this just goes on the brake thing, on the bleeder part. Like here's another caliper that's just used to, to block everything. So there's the nipple, and this goes on a nipple. And this used to be longer. It's 1 inch longer. It's 1 inch now. It used to be 2 inches. And then the spring would go on the end of it, on the end. But it still kind of fits on there. Anyway. So I kept wiping it down up in here, and then it kept feeling underneath where the fucking attachment is here, and it kept getting wet there. And shit was spraying all over the fucking... So I had to track that down, figure it out, so... It's gotta be the gaskets. Flat surfaces don't lie. Anyway, later.